Hello everyone, this is Alex USA Days, and this is an introductory video to my online course on YouTube on how to become QA engineer. It's called Learn Quality Assurance from Scratch. And in this course, you're pretty much going to cover all of the skills required to start as a QA engineer. A little bit about myself. So I've been QA engineer for about 10 years now, and I worked in so many different industries. I worked in a mix of hardware and software, worked in e-commerce, worked in gaming, medical API, so a lot of different things. And I picked up quite a lot of tools, and just wanted to share my experience and get you started with QA career if you want to learn it. And uh, I think that's going to be a good way to start your journey. Now, this playlist will be updated over time. So as I create content, I will be adding it to this playlist. But I already created a roadmap. I think I know what kind of content I want to add to the playlist. So let's take a look at it. So pretty much, uh, there will be 14 modules, and within the modules, there will be videos dedicated to that topic, where we will start with what is QA and where it is needed. Then we will go into development methodologies and how QA might differ in different development methodologies. Then we'll talk about types of testing and test plan creation. Then we'll talk about bugs and how to report them. After that, we will talk about managing test cases, creating documentation, test matrices, and so on. The next one will be basic console commands. So a lot of companies are using Linux or Unix-based systems where you would need to know the console commands, how to navigate, and perform different tasks. So we'll cover that. After that, we will do some Git introduction. So most common use command if you need to use Git at work. Then we will do SQL introduction, and it is pretty much like a language for database. Updating database management, managing database. So we'll get some basic commands required for QA if you need to verify some data in the databases, in SQL-based databases. Then we'll talk about API testing, what it is, what kind of tool you can use to perform it. Then we'll have some automation introduction. So we'll pick some tool that you can start and spin up easily and start automating right away. Then we'll talk a little bit about mobile testing, how to perform it, what kind of tools can be used for mobile testing. Then we'll have a module on like first work experience and how you can start getting your work experience, even if you never worked as a QA. Then we will have a conversation about team composition, how your day work might look like in different companies, what you will do, who you'll talk to, and how you communicate, how the whole thing gonna flow pretty much at your work. And then we'll have a section on interview preparation. So what do you need to do for a good interview, what kind of questions might be asked, and overall get you ready, so you can be confident when you start looking for jobs. So yeah, this is the basic idea for this course. I'll try to update it regularly. It's going to be a pretty large playlist that's going to grow over time, and then each module probably will have its own playlist dedicated just to the module, so it's going to be easier to manage it. Yeah, but everything going to be here was the starting video, and I will be providing multiple links in the description that are helpful, like getting books or getting materials from that were used in the lessons, and so on. So yeah, I think it's going to be an interesting journey. uh, Hit like and subscribe if you're gonna want to watch more and you're interested in the content. And this was Alex USA Days. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.